Morning everyone, how are you? Happy Christmas Eve! I love today. I think it's such a special day. Join me the other side of the intro and let's have some Karen's crazy Christmas fun. You ready? Hit it, maestro! It's such a special night, such a special day. I love Christmas Eve with all my heart. Later on we'll be watching the Polar Express and drinking hot chocolate, and yeah, I just love it. I just think it's wonderful. And we put the NORAD app on and we see whereabouts Santa is, so we know when we have to go to bed, so that we don't see him, because then he won't leave any presents, will he? So yeah, so we do that, and very special, very special. So 24th of December, everyone. You ready? Lights, camera, action! Oh, I love going out, don't you, on Christmas Eve night. And I stand outside in my garden and the silence, and you can hear anticipation in the air, and it's the only time I ever go out and I do it. So maybe it's silent all year and I just don't notice, but it's silence and it's like the world is at peace, and yeah, I think it's really beautiful, very beautiful. Anyway, so let's get my chocolate. It's the last one. This chocolate, this calendar has only got 24, only one more sleep. Yep, and we go, yeah. Don't need that now, do we? And what have we got? Oh, I don't know what this is. This actually might be Santa's tummy, but that'd be a bit strange. I don't know what else it could be. Or a basket of presents, or a sack, or I don't know, but anyway. I've forgotten a drink. I'm going nuts. I've got to suck all the chocolate out of my teeth. I think we're okay. I think we're good to go. Can't train me, can you? Right, so then. We've got one more bauble in here now after today. And there is actually one for tomorrow, so that's fantastic. But tomorrow, Karen, you don't do a Christmas Day video. Might be this year. We got a very special video for you for tomorrow, so as they say, what do they say? Stay tuned. So we've got Mickey in all his finery. Beautiful baubles, aren't they? Beautiful baubles. And then in my cauldron crate box, woo! This is really nice. I'm not going to use it, but Blake will use this. It's like it's a tin mug. And look, you've got Hermione, Ron and Harry, the Great Hall, and with presents. Isn't that a lovely mug? And it is. I'm sure it's tin. I'm sure it is. I could break it and find out, but no, I'm not. I'm sure it's tin, so that's lovely. That's really lovely. I think that's maybe one of the nicest things we've had so far out of that box. So then, what are we going to do today? Shall we do a Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, shall we? And this is my November box. And this is actually a wishes box. So this is $49. So I wonder what I've got. So I know I always have the Ultimate Magic ones, but I thought we'd have something less expensive, so you can see the different things you can get. So let's open it up. So I've got my packing slip, no peeking. Oh look, Sully and Mike. And then I've got the she knows if you've been scary or nice. Happy holiday season from the team here at BBB, Amanda, Becky and Brenda. So it's a card, but it's also in a way a Christmas card, isn't it? So that's lovely. And I was so lucky, wasn't I? Because I met them and they're so lovely. So then let's have a look. We've got some nice green tissue paper. They know me only too well. I have got the snowman crispy treat, and if I sit and eat this on camera, it doesn't mean I'm going to publish it, but there'll be no calories. We should do that all over Christmas, shouldn't we? We should just have the camera there eating, and then I won't put any weight on. That's really nice. And I like that. Do you know I like it? Because it's covered in white chocolate. I love white chocolate. And I love the was it the ghost ones or the zombie ones that I had? I can't remember what it was now, but I love those because they were covered in white chocolate as well for Halloween. Right, what else we got in here? I have got some base and soap, and you could, it actually smells like pine. I think through that. Isn't that lovely, a Christmas tree? Really lovely. And the only thing with base and soap is be careful, because they do say that they get a lot of colour coming out of them. So they sell like little wooden soap dishes. So I've got a couple of them so I can put it on there so it doesn't stain anything. But Christmas tree. And then I've got one more item. What's this? That's lovely. Did you see my video on, I think it was the 19th, the ugly sweater? Well, this is a Mickey sweater. So isn't that lovely? So I've got an Alex and Arnie Christmas sweater bangle. And what a lovely memory of that lovely swap that I had with the Leffersons. That's so, so lovely. Oh, I love that. Right, so let's have a look. Where's my packing note? There's everything in the box. So let's see what the packing slip says. So it's got here, Disney Parks exclusive, Alex and Arnie, it's Mickey Christmas sweater. So that was $45, $44.99. So that is virtually the price of the box, because the box is $49. Disney Parks Rice Crispy Treats. And that was $5.99. And then my soap was $6.05, which meant a grand total of $57.03, and I paid $49. It's just a fabulous mystery box, fabulous subscription box. They'll all be linked down below, so if you haven't checked them out yet, go and check them out. They're wonderful. Yeah, I absolutely adore it. But it's only going to be a short one today, because we've got to get ready, haven't we? We've got to get to sleep, and we've got to see what tomorrow brings. So thanks so much for watching. Have a very peaceful night, and I hope that Santa comes for you in the morning. I hope you've been nice and you're on the nice list. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and don't forget, I'll see you tomorrow for a very special Christmas Day video. Bye for now, everyone. Bye. Merry Christmas. Bye.